Hi, I'm Andy Parkin from the multi-award winning Screed. Thank you for your question, Tony, which related to Arditex NA. And the question was, is the product strong enough for a forklift truck to drive over? Unfortunately, not, Tony. The Arditex NA is a fantastic smoothing compound that will level even steel. It'll bond itself to steel, but unfortunately, it's not a wearing surface. So it's not designed to take the abrasion. It's designed to take a floor covering that will take that wearing on the surface. So you need to look at another product, and keeping within the Ardex range. You could look at Ardex K80, and this is a fast drying industrial top. So the topping is a wearing surface, and it will take industrial wear. So it can be left on its own, or it can have resin, paints, etc. On top, but it can be left as a wearing surface. It withstands heavy wheel traffic and does have excellent abrasion resistance. Because it's rapid drying also, the downtime is minimal. So you basically open the next day of business, so it's not really going to give you any issues in terms of drying. You're not going to lose the area for very long. What I would say is preparation is key. Preparation of the existing substrate. It needs to be clean, dry, free from contaminants, latents removed, etc. If that's applicable. So it's all in the bond. So the product can go up to 10 mil, 10 mil thick. And so I think that is probably what you're looking for your forklifts. So if it's sort of up to 10 mil, then I think the Ardex K80 could be the perfect solution for you. Well, thank you for the question, and anything else you'd like to know, we'd only be too happy to help.